If you want to see what Jamaica look like, Barbican is what you would call the microcosm of Jamaica. Everybody, all strata, all classes, all types, colors, creed, races, religion, right here. And we live together in peace. Because of that as well, it is also an area that has the potential for significant economic expansion. What is holding it back? Infrastructure. Infrastructure in roads, but also infrastructure in housing. So we have a plan. We have a plan to improve the infrastructure of Barbican. It starts with the road. The traffic studies say that about 26,000 motor vehicles pass through Barbican on a daily basis. That's a heavily trafficked area. The present configuration does not allow for traffic to clear easily when there are peak demands for road space, in the mornings and in the evenings. Many people complain how much time they lose, how early they have to get up just to clear this area. The work that will be done here will be to expand the road, eliminate this loop, aside from the improvement in the roads, which will have LED lights, which will have modern traffic signals, which will have a road surface that can manage heavy traffic flow. But we're also looking at how we can improve the housing infrastructure. We will be laying pipelines that will carry the volume of water needed to support both the development of housing and communities, but to support commercial development. We will be laying sewage pipes as well to support the development of communities and commercial developments alike. When all this is done, traffic will flow much more easily than it is now. You will spend less time in traffic, you will reach work less stressed, and you will come home with a little bit more energy so you can have a little bit more time with your family. I believe it is now time, with this massive development that we are putting in for the roads, for us to spend the time now to improve housing. We need to find land in this area and build proper housing so that the people here can become formal home owners through the NHT. All in all, your government has been working to improve your living conditions. We are working 24/7, 365 to make sure that you can have a better life, to make sure that prosperity is not just a word, but an experience.